Hey, what's up everybody? So we're back doing another video. Like I said yesterday, I'd do one once I had the decal applied to the helmet. So this is going to be a review of the D-Day 1944 helmet decal. So, very nice quality decal. This one here is in the ET style, which is almost like a house brand of decals that were applied to ET helmets at the factory. This is not like the typical $5 cheap decal you get from other vendors. These ones cost a little bit more, but they're worth it. This one was $15 for this decal, and I applied it with lacquer, so it's not gonna come off or anything like that. It's on there. The detailing and graphics to the decal are excellent, and in my opinion, D-Day 1944 sells some of the best helmet decals you can buy. So if you're going to use a decal on your helmet, I would highly suggest checking them out. So like I said yesterday regarding this helmet, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'll just talk a little bit about it to kind of fill people in. So I got this yesterday in the mail. It's an original World War II German helmet shell. It's an M40. And how you can tell that is by the air vent is stamped into the helmet. Unlike the M35s that were riveted in, it was a separate piece installed for the air vent. This is just stamped directly into the shell. And it also has the rolled rim. The rim was also rolled on the M35s as well. The only difference is the air vents. The helmet has really nice paint and texture on it. The patina is very nice as well. I muddied it up a little bit yesterday and got it kind of dirty. Show you guys the texture. Texture is very nice. Whoever did this did an amazing job. And another thing I'm going to be changing out here in a minute. I'll show you guys once we take a look at the inside. So, alright, I'm going to cut the camera off for just a second and we'll take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the liner system. One thing I will be changing out on this helmet is the chin strap. The chin strap here has an RB number, which was later into the war. I think that these started coming out in 43, but since the helmet has a decal, I'm going to get an earlier chin strap. I'm looking for either 1940 or 41 dated chin strap, so this will be getting changed. And that's pretty much it for the liner system that I'm going to be swapping out. The liner is a high quality Czech reproduction, which is one of the best liners you can get. And I was looking at the liner band yesterday a little bit closer, and this is an original World War II liner band that has been fitted with new leather. So that's a plus. Pretty cool little detail. And now we'll take a look at the shell stampings. Here we can see it says ET66, which is for the Thale factory, and the 66 is for the size of the shell in centimeters. And here we have the lot number, which is 574. So this is a early production M40 shell. And another cool little thing this has, try to zoom in on it, we also have the dome stamp for the Thale factory as well. You guys can see that. These were not on every helmet. I believe the ratio was 1 in every 1,000. Had a dome stamp applied. It's just like an inspection stamp. And that's pretty much it about that. But that's a cool little detail. I like that whoever did this helmet added that. It's pretty nice. And on one of the fingers of the liner, we have the liner size 58. Another thing too, actually, more that I look at it, I might change out too, would probably be the drawstring on the liner. I'm probably gonna put a new reproduction in there as well. That one's kind of worn out the more I look at it. But overall, I love this helmet. It's very nice. And this will be my primary reenacting helmet for when I do hair. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Like I said about the decal, you know, it's an amazing quality decal. Highly recommended, you know. If you guys are interested in putting a decal on your helmet, definitely get one from D-Day 1944. I will be sure to put a link to their website in the description for you guys to check out if you're interested. So alright, so I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my videos and stuff. I'm going to try to be putting out more content here, you know, trying to get this thing going. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe for more videos coming up here in the soon. I'm going to be having a lot of stuff coming in. I'm going to definitely show you guys that stuff. So there's a lot to look forward to here in the near future. So alright, until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.